everyone, in this video we do the set 3 of Jude the Obscure. These are the important questions especially for the PGT examination, upcoming PGT Jharkhand examination. The first question is, which of these is true of Saston? Most of its residents are very affluent. It is somewhat economically depressed. It has a large university. It is composed mostly of newer buildings. The answer is B. It is somewhat economically depressed. It is where the Sue Brighthead goes after she leaves her training college. After she flees from her training college, we had discussed in the previous video that Sue had been on a holiday, was spending a holiday with Jew Brighthead, and they went far and they could not return on the same day. So because Sue cannot return same day in the college and she was absent in the college for a night, so the college authority decided to punish her, and the punishment was that she needed to be in the solitary confinement for a week. That Sue found unjust, and so she jumped out of the window and she come to Jude, and later she shifts to Saston, the town called Saston, and there she lives with her friend. So what is the true about this town? That it is somewhat economically depressed. Next question is, what instrument Jude play with Sue in schoolhouse? Schoolhouse में Jude के साथ Sue कौन सा instrument play करते हैं? The answer is piano. This is an important question. You can remember it. This is piano. Next is, how does Jude learn that Aunt Drusilla is dying? कैसे उनको पता चलता है कि Aunt Drusilla जो है वो मरने वाली है? By a carrier pigeon, by telegraph. He hears some milkmaids gossiping about his aunt's worsening condition. By letter. तो देखिए फर्स्ट एलिमेंट आप एलिमिनेट तो दो ऑप्शन बहुत इजी कर पाते हैं, ए और सी. यू गेट कन्फ्यूजन बाय लेटर और बाय टेलीग्राफ. सो वी नीड टू रिमेंबर दैट he was informed through a telegraph. He was informed about it through a telegraph. Next question number 4 is, why doesn't Mr. Phillotson attend Aunt Drusilla's funeral? वो क्यों attend नहीं करते हैं? Because he is upset with Sue. The answer is he is upset with Sue. Next question is, with whom does Sue stay after Aunt Drusilla's funeral? Aunt Drusilla के funeral के बाद जो है जब वो आती है तो Jude जो है उसको सजेस्ट करते हैं कि विडो एडलिन जो है, विडो एडलिन इज अ पर्सन हु लुक्स आफ्टर ऑन ड्रुसिला व्हेन शी वाज इल. तो Jude सजेस्ट her that she should stay with widow Adeline. So answer is widow Adeline. Next question is, what animal does Jude kill when he hears it caught in a trap? So she is living in widow Adeline's home. She is peeping out of the window and Jude does not know it. At night Jude जो है वो सुनते हैं that a rabbit was crying in pain because it was trapped. So Jude goes out and mercifully, because he wanted to give rabbit instant death, so mercifully he kills it. And there he finds that Jude was looking at him through the window. So he goes to the window, and here a situation happens when Sue kisses him on the forehead and Jude too. So this is the answer. The answer is, question was what animal does Jude kill when he hears it caught in a trap? कि वो trap में फंस गया है तो किसको मार देता है? Rabbit को. The answer is rabbit. Next question is, where does Sue kiss Jude for the first time? अभी we discussed that she kisses him on the top of his head. Next question is, what do the neighbor assume when they see Jude burning religious texts? When at last when Sue kisses Jude on the forehead and she finally realizes that she cannot live with her elderly husband Mr. Phillotson, so she goes to Phillotson and asks him if they can live separately, कि क्या वो लोग अलग अलग रह सकते हैं, दूसरे रूम में रह सकते हैं. And Phillotson, he is not a bad person, so though he is elderly and तो वो उसको अलाउ कर देता है. तो शी इज़ लिविंग इन अनदर रूम. सो वन डे आउट ऑफ हैबिट Phillotson जो है वो उसके रूम में Sue के रूम में एंटर करते हैं, एंड Sue इज़ हॉरिफाइड बाय द आइडिया दैट शी मे हैव टू बी फिजिकल विथ Phillotson. So she jumps out of the window. And after this incident, Sue and Jude both realize that they cannot live apart, and Jude selects Sue over his religious books. So Jude जो है he is burning his religious texts. So what does neighbor assumed at that time? तो neighbor assume करते हैं कि Jude जो है वो अपने aunt Drusilla की old चीज़ें जो है वो जला रहा है. So the answer is that Jude is burning Aunt Drusilla's old things. Next question is, what does Sue tell Phillotson she did with Jude when she was in Mary Green for Aunt Drusilla's funeral? तो वो जो है Phillotson को आके बताती है कि उसने Jude का हाथ पकड़ा, but वो ये नहीं बताती है that she kissed him on the forehead. She tells only half of the thing, and only listening this that Sue had held the hand with his cousin Jude, Phillotson gets sad. So question is, what does Sue tell Phillotson she did with Jude when she was in Mary Green for Aunt Drusilla's funeral? तो वो बताती है कि she held hands with him. Next question is, what does Sue do when Phillotson come into her bedroom and startles her? हम लोगों ने अभी डिस्कस किया कि जब उसके रूम में Phillotson आते हैं तो वो क्या करती है, वो खिड़की से कूद जाती है. She jumps out of the window. Next question is, who eavesdropped on Jude and Sue's conversation in the schoolhouse? Schoolhouse में इनके conversation को कौन सुनता है? तो it is listened by Mr. Phillotson. Next question is, what does Mr. Phillotson ask of Jude in the letters he writes after separating from Jude? जब Sue जो है वो बोल देती है मिस्टर फिलॉटसन को कि वो उसके साथ नहीं रह पाएगी और वो जूड के पास रहने के लिए चली जाती है, तो जूड जो है मिस्टर फिलॉटसन राइट अ लेटर टू जूड जिसमें वो जूड को बोलते हैं कि वो Sue के साथ अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट करे. तो आंसर इज दैट जूड ट्रीट Sue काइंडली. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, why doesn't Sue want to share a hotel room with Jude in Aldbrickham? अब Sue और Jude जो है वो Aldbrickham में जाते हैं. Aldbrickham में Jude जो है he want to book the same room, but Jude is not certain about his romantic feeling with Jude yet. तो वो जो है वो चाहती है कि अभी वो लोग जो है अलग अलग रूम में ही रहें. तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन है कि why doesn't Sue want to share a hotel room with Jude in Aldbrickham? तो आंसर is she is not ready to become his lover yet. Next question is, जब Gillingham is a school teacher and the friend of Mr. Phillotson. जब वो मिस्टर फिलॉटसन ने जब पहले भी बताया था मिस्टर गिलिंघम को कि ही वुड लेट Sue go, तो गिलिंघम ने कहा था कि ही शुड नेवर लेट Sue go एंड ही शुड कीप हर फोर्सफुली. और बाद में जब फिलॉटसन जो है ही लेट Sue मूव अवे फ्रॉम हिम, तो गिलिंघम जो है उसको इनकरेज करते हैं कि वो रिज़ाइन कर दे ताकि वो कहीं और जॉब कर पाएंगे, बिकॉज एन अथॉरिटी इवन मेड हिम रिज़ाइन. सो गिलिंघम ने क्या इनकरेज किया कि फिलॉटसन रिजाइंस ही विल बी एबल टू गेट अ जॉब एल्सवेयर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट डज Sue हेल्प मिस्टर फिलॉटसन गेट आउट ऑफ बेड टू वॉच? व्हाट डज Sue हेल्प मिस्टर फिलॉटसन गेट आउट ऑफ द बेड टू वॉच? इट इज अ सनसेट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु सपोर्ट्स मिस्टर फिलॉटसन कीपिंग हिज जॉब? तो जब सारे अथॉरिटी को, बिकॉज विक्टोरियन सोसाइटी वॉज अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट सोसाइटी, तो व्हेन विक्टोरियन सोसाइटी गेट्स टू नो कि फिलॉटसन इन स्पाइट ऑफ बीइंग अ हस्बैंड लेट हिज वाइफ मूव अवे फ्रॉम हिम, तो कॉलेज अथॉरिटी थॉट दैट इट वुड बी अगेंस्ट द सोशल नॉर्म्स. तो वो मिस्टर फिलॉटसन को बुलाते हैं और उनको रिज़ाइन करने के लिए बोलते हैं. लेकिन वहाँ के जो लोकल वर्कर्स हैं, एट इज सरप्राइज दे स्टैंड फॉर मिस्टर फिलॉटसन. सो इट्स somewhere Hardy wants to show that the workers or the normal people know more and have courage more for the freedom than those who are educated and those who are trapped in the social institutions. So who supports Mr. Phillotson keeping his job? The local itinerant workers. Next question is, how does Sue prevent Jude from going back to Arabella? तो इसी बीच में जो है अराबेला व्हेन जूड एंड स्यू आर लिविंग इन टुगेदर इन एल्डरबैकहम, तो अराबेला रिटर्न्स वन नाइट एंड शी सेज दैट शी वांट टू टॉक समथिंग सीरियस टू Jude, and this is the time serious to Jude. तो Sue becomes jealous and she thinks that Arabella will take Jude from him. तो यहाँ पर आउट ऑफ जेलसी ही रेडिली अग्रीज कि वो उससे शादी कर लेगी. अभी तक वो उससे शादी करने के लिए तैयार नहीं थी बिकॉज शी वॉज ट्रैप्ड इन एन अनहैप्पी मैरिज वंस एंड शी हैड नो faith on the institution of marriage and she wanted to live with Jude but not after getting married, like the lover only. तो यहाँ पर जो है वो उसको प्रॉमिस कर देती है कि वो उससे शादी करेगी, तो by promising to marry him. Next question is, what does Arabella include in her letter to prove that to Jude that she has married Cartlet? जब अराबेला जो है लेटर भेजती है बाद में, जब अराबेला है वो कहती है that she has a important matter to discuss with Jude, but Jude अगर जाते तो अराबेला के पास न्यूज़ ये था कि शी हैड अ चाइल्ड. जब वो पहली बार ही छोड़ करके गई थी Jude को अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ ऑस्ट्रेलिया, दैट टाइम इवन शी हैड अ चाइल्ड विथ Jude and that were being raised by Arabella's parents. Her next husband Cartlet even does not know about the child. Now Arabella's parents are not able to raise the child, so he wanted to send it back to Jude, and this was the matter that she wanted to discuss, or it may be that she wanted to discuss. So she sends a letter to prove that she is married to Cartlet. तो ये बताने के लिए वो क्या भेजती है, वो एक न्यूज़पेपर का कटिंग भेजती है. तो क्या भेजती है, अ न्यूज़पेपर. And later this child whose nickname is Little Father Time is sent to them and Sue and Jude readily accept the child. This will happen later, वो भी question आ ही जाएंगे. 19th number question is, who raised Jude's eldest son for the most of his early childhood? तो most of the early childhood, the Jude's eldest son whose nickname is Little Father Time. Little Father Time. He is raised by Arabella's parents. बाद में अराबेला के पेरेंट्स जो हैं who are in Australia, बाद में when they refuse to rear him more, तो she would write the letter to ask to Jude to take care after him, and Sue and Jude readily accept the child. Next question is, what does Jude's son wear around his neck? अपने neck के around क्या पहन कर आता है, तो it is a key. Next question is, why doesn't Sue like Jude's son at first? जब Sue जो है वो Jude के बच्चे को देखती है तो बच्चा जो है he is very morose, he is very serious looking, as if he does not want to be in the world. She finds that there is something missing with the child, something that she could not recognize, that she only later recognized when Little Father child who is rechristened as Jude, जिसका बाद में ये लोग नाम रखते हैं Jude. He kills Jude's both children and kills himself too. तब Jude identify कर पाती that what was the moroseness or what was very strange about him. This happens later, उससे भी कुछ ना कुछ क्वेश्चन आएंगे ही आएंगे. तो Sue जब पहले इस बच्चे को देखती है तो she sees that the child resembles Jude, but she also sees that the child resembles Arabella, and so she does not like the child at first. But later जैसे ये बच्चा आता है, आने के तुरंत बाद ही वो Sue को पूछता है that if he can call Sue mother, क्या वो Sue को mother बोल सकता है, and Sue suddenly and instantly have her motherhood for the child and feels the intimation, a kind of intimation. But initially she does not like the Jude's child. Why? Because the child resembles Arabella. Next question is, why does Little Father Time, what is Little Father Time? Little Father Time is the nickname of the child. It is a nickname of Jude's child with Arabella. Why does little father time have to walk Jude's house from the station by himself? तो जैसे ही Sue and Jude says that they can take the child, he is sent instantly without information. तो Jude और Sue को पता नहीं होता that he was coming, so they do not go to the station to receive him, and he comes to the address. So the answer is Jude and Sue did not know that he was coming. Next question, the question number 23 is, why does Jude hope his son will do when he grows up? So when he sees the son, he feels that though he cannot go to the university, his son will attend the university. So this is attend university, but we find that later when this little father time along with Sue and Jude returns to Christminster, he feels that it is not a good place. So there only we find that even the little father time is not going to fulfill the dream of being a scholar or entering into the university seen by our character Jude. Next question is, who does Jude invite to his ill-fated wedding with Sue? Sue के साथ जो इसकी ill-fated wedding है, उसके लिए वो किसको invite करते हैं? तो वो invite करते हैं widow एडलिन को, हालांकि इनकी शादी कभी होती नहीं है. Next 25th number question is, what do Jude and Sue make a model of? किस चीज़ का मॉडल बनाते हैं? तो they make the model of university at Christminster. 2 क्वेश्चन है, इससे याद रखेगा कि ये मॉडल भी बनाते हैं क्राइस्टमिंस्टर का, बाद में एग्जीबिशन में इसको देखने भी जाएंगे. और later when Jude and Sue are socially ostracized, तो they live a nomadic life from one place to another. तो उस समय जब Jude जो है स्टोन मैसनरी के वर्क से he becomes ill, तो he and Sue together makes a cake, और उस केक का भी नाम जो है ये लोग रखते हैं केक. ये लोग केक बनाते हैं जो जूड बनाते हैं और Sue बेचती है, और उसका भी नाम रहता है Christminster cakes. So these are the question of this set 3. I'll be uploading set 4 soon. Thank you.